burning once more, and I'm nearly gonna burn another one.
That's the best amount of fishing, Amy, in it. The old bit of camping.
Looking forward to the morning session. It's 5 o'clock in the morning, and it's time to get ready for the morning shad run. So guys, there's a real big fish coming through, so now I'm going to try and get to the far bank. So let's do this. Specimen.
Nearly 50 long. You ready? Specimen, about 212. Well done. Alright, so we'll put him back, make sure he's safe. Yeah.
So guys, now we're putting him back.
Bringing him back, make sure they're well revived.
Yeah. As the fishing is going quiet, I have a chance for showing you what we use. Some Tassies and some Cobras. Six size owners. Red and black beads. 10-pound fluorocarbon. And some swivels and some other Tassies that you can use as well.
What way do we work them out?
I have one made up here, so whatever you can cast 3 to 5 feet of fluorocarbon. So first you put your fluorocarbon through your Tassie, then put on your bead, and then put on your 6 size owner.
Right, and you can use a size 4 as well. Or whatever size hook you're happy with.
Yeah.
And when it swims through the water, it'll look like that. Now a lot of these come pre-made, but you can use that or you can set it up this way.
Yeah.
Isn't that right?
Yeah.
So what we'll do now is we'll have the grub and we'll hopefully take a few casts and get another few fish.
Yeah. So see you then. So guys, I'm going to show you now what type of gear I have. So I have a Shimano reel, a silver Tassie, and a Savage Gear parabellum reel. I mean rod.
Alright, so do you want to cast it?
Yeah.
Any tips?
Make sure the clasp is always down before you start casting. And then make sure your rod is not twisted all the way up. Okay, I checked there now. Okay. So now after untangling your rods, you have to check then your hook is straight, because it makes a huge difference if it's not. So then, let's start casting. So grab your finger like this, you put your finger down here, and put the other 3 underneath here. Then you put over the clasp, put behind your head, and cast as hard as you can, as hard as fine.
Oh, fish now jumped out of the water, Amy.
It was trying to save. Hello, my dear friends.
And what kind of reeling are you doing?
So, what type of reeling am I doing? So I go 1, 2, 3, 4.
Right, would you do it slow or fast?
Faster if it's in shallow water because you don't want to get it stuck, and slower in high tide because all the fish are going to go down to the bottom and also leave it sink. So see what I mean? And checking if your
Tassie?
hook is on your Tassie.
Oh, tangled up. Is he hooked into it? Okay.
So I caught a Tassie fish there now.
Alright, go on.
So just do the same thing over and over again.
So you're saying on the high water, so just leave it sink for a second or two,
Yeah.
and
One,
then two. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4. So when you say 4, it's always after 4 you do the wiggle. So it's kind of 5 that you're doing on the wiggle.
Right.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. So then when you get closer to it, to the bank, you can bring it in. And remember, always clean your hook off if you see some weed, because the fish will not take your thing if it sees weed following your little Tassie. And also try and get the swivel up as close as you can without going all the way through the eye at the top. And that's why we have our buffer beads. So
It stops us from cracking eyes too, doesn't it?
yeah, it stops you from cracking eyes.
Right, so.
So do you want to start casting?
Yeah, I'll go down and I'll do a bit of fishing,
Okay,
and hopefully you'll have a few fish.
the time you come back.
Right, go on, last cast. Oh, nice cast.
Thanks. St. Mullins is the most popular place for camper vans. Fishing, camping, and all that type of stuff. And this is the cafeteria. There's a load of other people here, so we're not going to go over. And there's also a fairy garden there, but you probably can't see. And there's a load of other people fishing here. So guys, this might be the last fish of the day. So like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Good.